Okay, so step A, we've got all of everything we need here. And I've got to remove this one right here. It's pretty easy to take off. I mean, this one's kind of gross, right? We'll let that sit down there. And then we're just going to turn it. Just like that. Pretty easy, huh? So this one is done. All right, so plumber's tape, right? All right, so I'm just gonna plumber's tape that up. I think that should do it. All right, so this goes on next. I just gotta screw it on. Just like that. I think I got it. There we go.
Okay.
Just got to tighten her down. Get on there good. All the way so it doesn't leak. I think that's good. That should work.
Honey,
That should work. Yeah?
don't.
What?
Stop. It's
All right, so this is the one that goes up on here, that big nut. All right, so you're just gonna turn it this way. Get it on there. I think you can hand tighten it. Let me grab this. Maybe I can get a better, even harder screw on it. There we go. Oh, look, I even turned it. All right, and so you want to make, this is the one that goes onto the head. And because this has to slide in that little cradle. So this is the one you want to put on here. Just get it on there good. Nice and tight. Using 2 hands. Okay. Now all we got to do is make sure that it doesn't leak, right? So let's pull back. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on. There we go. And it has different squirt spots. You can do different types. Like a spray, more power, more power, more power, and that. So that's working good. I don't see any leaks. That's what we're looking for. So we're good. Turn it off. All right, I think that's going to work for it. All right, so this slides right in there. And now you can go ahead and take your shower. That's it right there. Bam. Bob's your uncle. Look how long that is. Now we just got to get rid of that old one. All right, if you like this video, check out my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.